No, it's individuals. There's no such thing as the United States of America. There's the system of white supremacy. So who are the white supremacists? Well, the counter-racist logic says it's any white person who is able to be one probably is one, because that's the only government on the planet. There's no such thing as the United States of America. That's yet to be. That's something that everybody should want. That's a work that people have said is in progress, but the progress has been very, very slow. We've never arrived at that thing called the United States of America yet. Many scholars, after all kinds of talk, they'll talk all kinds of ways to get there. They might talk for, 2 or 3 years in one speech to finally say that this thing called America is a work in progress. It's not finished yet. It's something that we're experimenting with. And what would that be? The ultimate objective of something called America, logically speaking. It would be a place where people are not mistreated and people who need help the most gets the most constructive help. That word is called justice. So justice and America are one and the same. Justice doesn't exist anywhere on the planet. So what do we have? We have white supremacists on this planet, for the most part, and their victims.